everyone. I hope you are having a great day. All right, so first we looked at this, okay, and this is Hypnotic Lights Eye Topper, okay, and there were three. All right, and this is $10.99 on Milani's site. All right, now we are looking at just a minute here. Now we are looking at today. We are looking at almost there. Almost there. Just a minute, lapdog. We are looking at the Daze. Just a minute. We are looking at the Daze of Disco Hypnotic Lights Holographic Eye Topper Kit. All right? Just a minute. Just a minute. All right. So this is $11.69, regularly $12.99. All right? Okay. So, this is a swatch I did. Oh, did I take it off? Yeah, I did a little bit. All right, so I will do it again. The first we are going to use, I apologize. This was all together. Just a minute. All right, so this is what we have. The Days of Disco. All right. And the first color that we are looking at is Luster Light. Okay. And we will be looking at one per day. All right. Now, I did a swatch on my finger, and then I took my finger and, rubbed it back and forth, and it went into this. You'll see. This is what it did. All right. Okay. So, I did my liner, and my liner is Rimmel and Ocean Eyes. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this to my eye. So with the doe foot. So here we go. All right. And this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. And I mean pretty. All right. I probably won't go underneath my eye. I probably won't. All right. Let me go ahead and get some more. And I will be showing you these colors a different way so that you get a really good look at them. So before, when I did this, because I did do them one other time, and then there was the whole thing where I thought the colors that we just did a couple of days ago, that series of 3, was the same as this. So we previously did this, okay, not long ago, but we have a lot of new people, so I don't think it's a bad thing to go over it again, just to make sure that they see everything, that we've seen. So that's why I'm redoing this. All right, so this is the swatch, and it is really, really pretty. Look at that. All right, so that is one side, and I think I need to fix that. All right. So sometimes, something happens and you have to redo things. I mean, sometimes. So, I'm going to have to line again. And then we'll do mascara. This is just really something, this color. All right. All right, again, we will be doing one color per day. So tomorrow we will be doing the next color, and I'm not showing you what that is. So you'll find out. All right, there we go. So let me get to our liner. All right, and that is Rimmel Deep Ocean. It is Deep Ocean, right? Yes. This is Rimmel. Okay. And the sponge is, or the smudger is sponge. It is not rubber. All right. Here we go. So all I'm doing is lining my top lash line. You know, I was going to go with black, and I just don't think I like that idea, especially with these colors. So even with this one, I've decided to stay blue this week. All right, I think we got it. All right, there's a little bit of fallout, as you can see, just a little bit of sparkle on my face. All right, now what I'm going to do is I sort of want to do blue, and I sort of don't. I don't know. Just because, I don't know, maybe you can handle black. Let's try black. And, you know, if I like it, we might stay there. I don't know, I just don't want it to be a lot of blue, you know. All right, so we will be using Great Lash. All right, and here we go. We'll see. Maybe the others can handle it. It's just mascara, so it's just mascara. You know, blue liner with a little black mascara. I don't think it's a big deal. Alright, so we are almost done with this color. And I will be giving you one more. Let me see if I can take a photo of it and you can see it better. And then we'll do our lip. Just a minute. Let me see if I can photo it. Alright, so this is one photo. You can see that. Alright, just a minute. It's another one. I'm trying my very best to get the sparkle for you so you can really see it. Alright. Alright. Let me go ahead and show you again. And I'm going to take a photo of it so you can see it better. Alright, so we got that done. I have a little bit of blue. Right there. Alright, so now for our lip, let's do Revlon Super Lustrous, the gloss. Okay. Alright, just a minute here. Here we go. Alright, you ready? Here we go. Look how pretty that is. I like the color. It is so pretty with this color, the eye color. It looks kind of bluish. It's like an iridescent or tone on tone, I don't know. But it is pretty. Let me see if I can get that. Look how pretty it is. Alright, let me see if I can get a photo of what the lip looks like. My goodness. Just a minute. Let me see if I can get a photo. There we go. see if I got it. Let me get one more. Just a minute. All right, just a moment. So I don't know if you can see this, but it's got like a bluish tinge to it. It's really, really pretty. And my mouth even has, let me see if you can see my swatch that way. I'll get it in a photo too. You'll see what it looks like. I don't know. I can see it on the applicator. You can see it's got this bluish tint. It's really, really pretty. I like it. All right, it's unique. All right. So I think that is all for this video. The rest of the colors are coming. We will be doing one tomorrow. You'll find out. Welcome to all our new subscribers. Welcome to our crew. We love you. All right, everyone. That is all for this video. I love all of you. And I can't wait for the next color tomorrow. So, everyone, have a great day. And I will see you all in my next video. Love you.